Hey guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating the very subtle difference between a standard 16th note strumming feel and more of a swinging 16th note feel. This is definitely something you have to have in your bag. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, the first thing I'm going to do here is just demonstrate a standard 16th note strumming feel that is no swing yet, and I'm going to be doing this with a metronome at 80 BPM. So just a very straight feel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to demonstrate a swinging 16th note pattern, and then I'm going to play both of these side by side so you can hear the difference very clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here they are side by side. First, a measure of straight 16ths followed by a measure of swinging 16ths and back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight. Swing. So the best way to break this down at first, if you're not used to this feel and are kind of struggling with the timing a bit, is to think of it as basically 2 16th note triplets per beat, or a sextuplet. All right, so now I'm going to demonstrate that 16th note triplet, basically 2 of those per beat, and then I'll break down the swing by getting rid of the middle note of each of those triplets. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now what I'll do is I'll take out that middle strum of each one of these triplets, and then we're going to be left with that swinging 16th note feel. So instead of 1 and 2 and or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're going to leave off the middle note. So we got 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, and stay down there at the bottom, and then come on the up strum on 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again in that second triplet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 1 E and if you want to start counting it in 16th notes. 1 E and Okay, so at this tempo, it just sounds like kind of a swinging triplet feel. But if we speed things up, you're really going to hear the swinging 16th feel. Now I'm going to demonstrate this feel over a backing track going from F minor to C minor to A flat major. I'll give you a couple examples of strumming patterns using the 16th note swinging feel. Okay, in this example, I'm just moving from an F minor chord, and I'm using this shape right here up at the 4th fret. That's F minor, moving down to C minor, which is just the top of the C minor chord, and then going to an A flat major chord. Okay, so those are our chord voicings, but really it's not about that. This is about the strumming pattern and that 16th note feel. So what I'm doing here is I started right on beat 1, right there on that F minor chord, hitting every strum on the first beat there. And I'm swinging it. You can hear that. 1 versus straight. All right, so make sure you swing this. And then I went down to that C minor. And I kept that swing feel. Continue to the rhythm pattern and then end it down there on the A flat chord. All right, in this strumming pattern, same exact chord, starting on F minor, but I'm skipping a strum here. I'm skipping the 3rd 16th note of the beat. All right, down, up, and then up again. And I'm swinging it. Down to the C minor. Hit the C minor again, and back on the A flat major. So like I said at the top, this is a very subtle thing, but it's something you definitely have to have. I really recommend that you break this down slowly if you feel that your timing is not quite swinging. Be sure to come by TastyGuitar.com to get the free tab on this lesson and check out membership in the description below. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.